All right, guys, here is a look at lesson 7 that was in class on Wednesday, November 18th. And the focus for lesson 7 was the mid-unit assessment. So in Canvas, if you were to go into mid-unit assessment directions, you would see the learning targets. I can analyze Akala Shah's point of view and how it is conveyed in the text. I can determine the meaning of figurative and connotative language as it is used in the text. I can integrate information from historical photographs to better understand the cutting of my long hair, which is the title of the chapter that we will be reading for the assessment. For this assessment, you'll read another portion of Zitkala Shah's memoir, and you will answer a series of multiple choice and open-ended questions. You will also view historical photographs and integrate information to better understand the portion of Zitkala Shah's memoir chapter, The Cutting of My Long Hair. They have provided us with tips for what close readers do, as you will read the text probably twice to get acquainted with it, to then take the assessment. And then let's take a closer look at strategies to answer selected response questions. So strategies for multiple choice questions. First one, read the question very carefully. This is important always, especially with this assessment. There are several questions where you are asked to provide more than one answer. So please be on the lookout for those in the multiple choice questions, as well as the open-ended answer questions. You are being asked more than one question, and you are also expected to give your responses in complete sentences. You will lose credit if you do not give complete sentences and answer all parts of the question. So please be on the lookout for that. Another strategy for those multiple choice, cover the answers. Try to think of the answer yourself first. Sometimes we get very confused and caught up with all of the options presented. So if you can come up with an answer first, then read the answer choices that have been provided, find the one that is most like yours, and go for it. Third, as you read through each answer, think back to the text. What happened in the text that makes you think that might be right? Go back to the text, reference the text often. It is there for you to use. And the last one, cross out answers that you know are incorrect. Process of elimination, always a good strategy. Then you're going to get into the assessment itself. The text is at the very top, the cutting of my long hair. The paragraphs are numbered, so please take note of that because questions will reference specific paragraphs. And it is, I believe, 9 paragraphs long. There we go. The quiz is worth 18 points total. It is a formal grade. There are not 18 questions. The questions that ask for multiple answers are worth multiple points. And you have the text and questions available to you through Friday. This needs to be completed by Friday so that you are eligible for test corrections. And once you complete the assessment, you are to read chapter 9. We are moving along in 2 roads. We have skipped around some, unfortunately, and you need to be caught up through chapter 9 for tomorrow. And please check Canvas for anything missing that you can complete and get turned in for credits.